Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update, dear students, from Indian Post. Yes, okay, Indian Post Payments Bank. So here when you will go to the official website, here also I am having this one, Indian Post Payments Bank. Recruitment of specialist officer for the information technology and information security department. So this recruitment is for the BE, Tech, CS or IT student, especially. So we will check here the details also. So they mentioned what is this, Indian Post Payments Bank Limited, means IPPB. Okay, so they are going to recruit for the specialist officers. All right, now to apply online, this already started from the 21st December. Last date will be 10th January 2025, dear students, by visiting the website. This is www.ippbonline.com. Okay, now here this is to date, as I told you already. Application fees up to the 10th. All right, so now they are having some post name as in JMGS Junior Management Grade Scale, MMGS Middle Management. Okay, so they mention some words also. Now eligibility criteria: age and post qualification experience as on the 1st December 2024 for the regular post. So look at here, JMGS post assistant manager means scale is this one. Assistant manager is the post, age limit is 20 to 30 year, post qualification is not required. So this is for the engineers, B Tech in CS, I will tell you. And this is for the manager and the senior manager, where the 3 year and 6 year respectively qualification after post qualification work experience is required. Okay, and let's talk about the number of details. So JMGS assistant manager IT, number of vacancies 54, category wise division they mention here. Okay, and this MMGS manager IT, where the recruitment is based on the, okay, they require work experience also. So this one is simple. Then manager in IT infrastructure, network and cloud, enterprise data payment. Okay, and this let's talk about the job description. So job description: assistant manager IT application, this is they mention the job description also. Minimum eligibility criteria: BE Tech in computer science, IT computer science, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics and instrumentation students are also eligible, first thing. Second, or postgraduate degree in computer science, IT application, computer application, electronics and communication. So if you are having BE Tech or masters in respective branches, you are eligible here. So CS IT students or EC students are eligible here. Now note, candidate with 1 year experience in IT domain in bank or financial institution will be given preference, but it is not required. Okay, then in the remaining here, they required 3 year minimum post qualification. This is also for the BE Tech, BE Tech students, but here minimum 3 year experience in the IT domain is required here with the experience in the bank or financial institution. Okay, here also BE Tech in IT students are eligible, but work experience is their minimum 3 year. Here also BE Tech in computer science or IT or EC, but minimum 3 year experience. Okay, this is minimum 6 year experience. Clear? So I'm talking about the freshers, where BE Tech students without any work experience are eligible. If you think you are having experience, then you can check it out the remaining vacancies also. Okay? You can check it out, but show the remaining vacancies in this case if you think you are having this work experience. Okay? Job description and minimum, this we already discussed for the cyber security. Now, they mention some general instructions for candidate applying for the above. What is this? Candidate presently working in the central state government or autonomous body must be working in the immediate lower scale or equivalent of 1 year for the period from this one, this one. So, if you are already working, then you need to check. Okay. And yeah, this is important. For all the minimum qualification, the minimum qualifying marks shall be 60% except the qualification like CSE. So here BE Tech in CS, IT or EC with the minimum 60% marks is required. Okay. Now here even they will not consider this 59.9% also, they will not consider. Now this is important selection procedure. Selection will be based on the basis of interview. Okay, no written test. Okay. However, the bank reserve the right to conduct assessment, group discussion or online test in addition to the interview, but till now it's based on the interview. satisfying the eligibility norms do not entitle a candidate to be called for the interview or whatever it is. Okay. Then IBP reserves the right to call only the requested number of candidates as decided by the authority of the bank for the assessment, interview, group discussion or online test. So they still not mention here. This looks like they are having direct interview. If number of candidates are more, then maybe they can conduct group discussion, personal interview or some online test also. Okay. Results of the candidates who have qualified for various stages of the recruitment process and list of the candidates finally selected will be made available on the website only. Okay. Application fees, let's talk about. If you are from the SC/ST PWD, only intimation charges rupees 150. But if you are from the other category, then 750 rupees you need to pay, dear students. Okay. All right. Reservation and relaxations are here according to the rule of Government of India. You can check it out. Let's talk about the pay scale. So pay scale, scale 3, 85,920 to 2. This is the approximate CTC. Na? So approximate CTC per month. So you will get 2,25,937. For scale 2 candidate, this is 1,77,000. For scale 1 candidate, this is 1,40,000. Okay. So we can check this one. Engineer's post is where? Let's have a look which is, this is scale 1, 2 or 3. We can check it out here. This post was, here it is, assistant manager IT. Okay. No, this one, this is for the scale 1, JMGS scale 1, dear students. Okay, so for scale 1 directly, as I told you, it is more than 1 lakh rupees you will get directly as in fresher, and surely that is a very, very good thing. So you will get here for the scale 1, which is for the fresher BE Tech student. So you will get 1,40,398 as in CTC per month. Very good. Okay. Then for the contract position, job offers a competitive remuneration package at part with the industrial. Okay, posting will be there at the corporate office, New Delhi. However, the bank reserve the right to post anywhere in the India. Some service agreement will be there. Application guidelines they mention. Please check it out before 10 January. You can fill the form. And procedure for applying online they mention here. Please go through this website, bacho, and fill the form. Okay, they are having some more instructions. You can check it out, these instructions. Okay. And so you need to show some your, you need to show, okay, your documents also at the time of the interview. They mention some general instructions ki which size of photograph you need to show. Okay, so I'm repeating, you can just follow the steps mentioned here. The last date of applying is 10th January, dear students. So you can apply. This is surely very good opportunity for CS, IT and EC students with the BE Tech. Thank you.